Hi and welcome guys to another new watch unboxing. These are my 1111 purchases which are getting delivered. Let's check what is this watch is. Let's quickly see. This is an ADDIESDIVE watch. This has to be one of the newest ADDIESDIVE chronograph models, AD2517. Let's quickly unwrap this and see the watch. A quick wrist check, guys. I'm wearing the AD2538, this pilot style chronograph in my hand, and I have put it on a different nylon strap, which looks absolutely fantastic and very comfortable watch indeed. And watch out for this watch as well. All the links will be in the description for you all to check out. As usual, the Pelican case. Let's quickly take the watch out. This is another chronograph model that they do. These are new models, the AD2517. Let's see what is inside the box. As usual, the warranty cards and the user manual. There's nothing inside because it comes with this NATO. Let's quickly take the watch out of this plastic. This is absolutely gorgeous looking indeed. It's kind of reverse panda look, black dial and white subdials. Absolutely gorgeous looking, guys. ADDIESDIVE is really getting into this chronograph watch game. They're doing some wonderful chronograph watches these days. Guys, I bought this watch from ADDIESDIVE watch flagship store on AliExpress. All the links will be in the description. If you want to check it out, let's quickly take this plastic off. Now the plastics are off. Let's give a quick wipe. The second hand is up and running, which is a very good sign. When you unwrap a new watch, it's up and running. It's absolutely gorgeous looking, guys. A chronograph in this color is always nice to look at. Let's quickly get to the specification. This comes with 316L stainless steel construction. Have a look at the sides. These are absolutely well polished sides, almost mirror polished, and I really like these lug holes for you to quickly change your strap, which is a very good feature indeed on a budget watch. And have a look at this top part of this case. It is brushed. Always when there is brushing and polishing going on, it is wonderful to look at these trans. Have a look at this light play. Even on this case is absolutely well made by ADDIESDIVE. And quickly getting into this dial, it's matte black kind of dial with sub dials in white color at 3, 6 and 9 o'clock, and it has some textures going on there in the sub dials. Have a look at it. It's absolute fantastic looking, guys. And now look at this numerals, the hour markers 12-1, and I really like this sub dials. It's kind of cutting the edge of these numbers. I really like it. And also, guys, this is an ADDIESDIVE watch, so these numbers are filled with BGW9 loom. And I have a look at this tachymeter bezel, a 500 scale tachymeter bezel in ceramic. This particular bezel comes in ceramic. And I have a look at this side profile. You're getting a signed crown. This is an screw down crown. Let's quickly see the chronograph function of this watch. This comes with an Seiko VK63 movement. That's why you're getting a subdial at the 6, the second hand. I look at that chronograph and go. It's very mechanical like. That's what this meca-quartz movement does. Let's reset and see. You will have this jumping reset like a mechanical. Very nice action indeed. Let's quickly see the crown action. This is a screw down crown, which is very good indeed at this budget point. You know, you're paying 3-4 times the price of this and you won't get a screw down crown. This is a screw down crown, which is very good, which will, this screw down crown and the screw down case back will ensure the water resistant level what they have mentioned. I have tested these ADDIESDIVE watches in the pool. No issues whatsoever indeed. Let's quickly see the crown action. Really really good action indeed. Let's screw it back and see. Very nice screw back action. You can see it has screwed down perfectly, and you're getting this screw down case back. This case back is kind of Rolex kind of case back, which you need special tools to take this off. This makes the watch thinner, so I don't have any complaint. But for an battery watch, they could have been gone with the normal one. Let's quickly check this crystal. This is an K1 mineral crystal because this is a dome crystal. ADDIESDIVE these days with their dome crystal, they are going with this K1 mineral crystal. I don't have any complaints. These are much more clear than the sapphire crystals in my point of view. That is my experience. But this one is sapphire. This is K1 mineral crystal, and it has this domed effect, which I really love. And it has plenty of AR coating. You can see there's no visibility issue whatsoever. When it comes to straps, this has an 20 lug, which is really good because that is kind of a standard size on watches where you have plenty of straps already. When we talk about this strap, this is a kind of nylon NATO kind of strap. It's very soft. I'm having a very good feeling about these ADDIESDIVE straps. Very nice quality. This is how this particular 37 watch looks in my wrist. Mine is an 6.5-inch wrist, and this is a very nice proportion indeed in my wrist. As I said, this particular strap feels really comfortable indeed. Very good nylon strap, and I'm really liking this watch in my wrist. Have a look at that color combo, and really good proportion, right? For small wrist like mine, no overhang. It really looks good. Please subscribe to the channel, guys, to help the channel, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up as well, and stay tuned for more watch reviews like this, and stay tuned for the loom shot of this particular watch because it's an ADDIESDIVE, so it will have killer loom for sure. Guys, let's quickly switch off these lights and see the loom. I'm expecting that ADDIESDIVE won't disappoint with their loom. Have a look at that loom. It's absolutely glowing. Let me zoom in a little bit. Have a look at that loom. No additional lights or anything in use. This is just from the studio light. It's absolutely awesome looking. Have a look at that. Even on the second hand, I really like the second hand tip in the loomed. This is absolutely gorgeous, guys. I really expected these numbers to be loomed, which looks absolutely fantastic. This is what you get at this price point, which is like it is absolutely fantastic from ADDIESDIVE. ADDIESDIVE is like the new king of chronograph watches. I think they are the ones who have taken it from the Omega homages and from Daytona homages to something different. Have a look at that loom glow. The VGW9 is absolutely gorgeous.